Good day, everyone. I am Jessel Bahinting and I will be discussing the continuation of the Group 1's report, which is the School as an Agent of Change. So, I will be the first presenter of the Group 2. So now, we will going to identify the objectives. So first, I am going to describe the Sir Giovanni's 6 forces of change in schools. Then, second, analyze characteristic of a good school as a social change agent. Third, evaluate how schools respond to the national and local needs, citing Philippines. And we will also give an examples. So, change forces. According to Sir Giovanni's 2000, change forces in educational settings can be understood through several key factors. Nadara ang bureaucratic, personal, market, professional, cultural, and democratic. So, first, the bureaucratic forces involve rules and mandates. So, when we say bureaucratic forces, diraan na involve ang katuang mga tao nga gabuhat from the beginning kanang sila ang nagabuhat og mga rules. So, kung naay nagabuhat og rules, napoy tagasunod ana nga rules. For example, in the government, di ba ang mga, for example, the mayor, sila man ang kanang kay dira ang kuan si mayor yun ang naay kuan na sa babaw, and then kanang sunod na ana is mga kanang councilors, mga ana mayor, vice mayor, then mga sunod-sunod na. So naadjud siya mga kanang organization, nagkasunod-sunod, organized gina sila. Then next is the market forces involves competition in individual choice. Di ba mabantayan nato sa market forces? When we say market forces, nadyan na siya involved ng competitions. Like, kung kita nga mga palit is, kanang, natay mga individual choice, kung unsa man ato ang, kanang, unsa ato ang choice nga, kuan dito palit or nga na. So, natay mga choice. Then, while professional forces aim to build a professional community. So, ang kuan day aning professional forces, sila ang nag-aim og naga-build sa mga professional community para mas mulago pa ang usa ka community. The next is the cultural forces. Cultural forces involve shared values and goals, while democratic forces involves democratic social contracts. So, ang cultural forces DI is naga-involve siya og mga shared values and goals. Like, diri sa ato daghan man kita mga kultura, different culture, but bisan pa yung ana, nagamit tayo mga pagka-sameness or mga same lang ang mga values ng kuan, tuhan or mga goals nga kanang mo develop ang atong isa ka community or isa ka school. So, even though nga kanang dili ta same jud og mga kultura nga kaning unsa ta, but naatay mga kanang kapariha gihapon nga mga values and goals in life. So, ang democratic forces nag-involve siya og democratic social contract. So, kato ang igon ako gaina nga nagud siya kanang gikan sa kanang pinaka-leader hantod yan ang ikuan sa mga kanang yang kasunod-sunod, basta organized na siya. Then to implement these forces, school need to build internal commitment. So para ma-implement ni siya nga mga forces, kailangan ang school mag-build og mga internal commitment nga maka-empower sa mga members and para ma-foster innovative behaviors and creativity. So, kailangan nga kita nga mga, ay sila nga mga kanang nagkuan ana nga mga forces nag-implement, dapat kailangan jud nga ilaha jud hibaluon kung unsa ang dapat lagi sila commitment nga kaning mas mo develop pa jud ang school and mapanatili ang mga kanang safe sa mga students, and also i-empower pod ang kanang mga unsa man ang mga kuan sa mga tao or mga members dira sa school, kanang paminawon pud sila kung unsa pud ang ilahang mga opinions and kanang gusto nila ipahitabo. Then also foster innovative behaviors and creativity. So sa school pod kailangan jud nga naa po'y mga foster innovative behaviors, like kanang mga buhat o mga kanang mag-creativity ka ng mga kuan sa mga student nga kanang mas makuan pa nila ang ilahang mga talents and skills, creativity and all. So kailangan nga kanang para ato-ato siyang makuan nga mga makuan nato ang school change is need yun to, according to Sir Giovanni, so need yun to siya nga makuan ang 6 ka mga change forces. So katulang ang ako ang topic. Then next is ipadayon na ni Miss Maribao. Thank you and God bless.
Characteristic of a good school as an agent of social change. A good school is a learn-centered institution that provides a positive physical and socio-emotional environment, instructional support, and curricular programs to serve all students. So, di mailhan daw nga maayo ang isa ka eskwelahan kung sila kay nakatabang or dako sila tabang sa isa ka community. And also, kung ang eskwelahan is nakatabang nga kanang mo-grow ang isa ka students, like maabot nila ang lahang kanang goals sa kinabuhi. But ang pinakadako gyud daw nga kanang tabang sa or pinakanindot gyud daw sa isa ka eskwelahan is kung unsa sila motabang sa isa ka komunidad para mo-grow ang isa ka community nga gitukuran sa ilahang eskwelahan. Table 1. Indicator of a good school from 6 composite perspectives. First is pupils. Pupils are nice to each other. So, dapat ang mga bata is kanang marespeto sila sa tanan nga iyahang makasalamuha. Sa gawas man o sa sulod sa school. Second is, everyone is treated fairly. So, dapat ang kanang sa school is kanang ang mga bata is kinag-treat siya og fair sa isa ka teachers. Like kanang walay kanang favoritism ang isa ka teachers. Third is, there is a friendly atmosphere. So, dapat sa sulod sa eskwelahan o sa gawas man nga mo asa mo atong isa ka bata is dapat kanang ipalaganap niya iyang kanang attitude nga kanang makig-amigo sa tanan. Then, fourth is teachers control the class but not too strict. So, of course, we all know nga ang teachers kanang naa sila kanang karapatan nga maghimo og rules or magkontrol sa isa ka room, but naa dapat sila boundaries sa paghatag og kanang rules sa isa ka students or sa isa ka eskwelahan para mo-grow ang ang ilahang isa ka room. So, dapat na sila boundaries nga mohatag og kanang or mo control sa isa ka school. Lastly, teachers help you with things you are not good at. So, ang teacher is kanang ginatabangan niya ang estudyante sa kanang mga butang nga dili kabalo ang estudyante. For example, naghataw ka ng buhaton ng isa ka teachers. Di nakita niya nga ang isa ka estudyante is kanang maglisod siya og buhat sa kanang iyang gihatag nga project. So, as a teacher, dapat is kanang ginatabangan nimo siya para makaton siya sa mga butang nga dili siya kabalo. Like willing ka mo help sa isa ka student. Second is teachers. Communication is a good among all members. So, communication is a way para magkasinabot ang tanan. Like sa school man na or sa gawas, like sa faculty. Second is staff development is good. Dapat as a teacher is kanang ginalove nimo ang imong trabaho nga as at kanang teachers like kanang dili nimo kanang ginahuna-huna nga like ni tudlo lang ka tungod sa sweldo like ginalove nimo ang imong profession. Third is the environment is a good to work and so like sa faculty dapat is ang mga teachers naga-share sila og kanang ideas para magamit nila sa ilahang pagklase. Then fourth is people are happy and well motivated. So dapat is ang kanang mga bata is kanang na sila motivated nga mosulod sa school. Dapat ang as a teacher is maghimo ka og kanang way para ma-motivate ang isa ka bata nga mosulod sa eskwelahan. Lastly is all pupils are helped to achieve what they are capable of. So dapat is ang mga students is nagatinabangay sila para mulampos or kanang makuha ilahang goal sa kinabuhi. Like walay kanang competitive nga mahitabo sa isa ka room. Third is parent. There is a welcoming, friendly atmosphere. So dapat is ang mga ginikanan sa isa ka bata is kanang friendly sila like kanang panghitabo nga kanang meeting sa school is dapat mag-communicate sila sa lain nga ginikanan. Second is staff are caring and communicate well with pupils. So dapat as parents is kanang mag-communicate sila sa teacher sa bata or kanang maging caring sila sa bata. And then third is discipline is good. So dapat as ginikanan is ikaw dapat ang una nga motudlo sa imong anak or ikaw una ang modisiplina sa imong anak. Fourth is extra time is spent with children who learn less quickly. So dapat as ginikanan is dili ta magsalig sa itudlo lang sa teachers. Dapat is kanang paguli sa balay sa isa ka bata is dapat ginatudluan po nato sila kay we all know nga kanang pag ang ginikanan ang magtulo sa bata is kanang maminaw gid sila like mahadlok sila nga sa ilhang ginikanan kaysa sa teachers. Then mo grow pod ang kanang knowledge sa isa ka bata kung ang ginikanan ug ang isa ka teacher ang magtudlo sa iyaha. Lastly is relationship are good between teachers and parents. So kani siya is importante kani siya kay in case na ay problema ang isa ka bata is dali ra kaayo nga matawagan ang isa ka ginikanan.
Good day, I am Jessamine Bransuala and I will be the one to continue the report of Miss Maribao. Management. So, pagbingon tag management, mo na siya ang school presidents, department heads, nga nagaset og rules sa ato ang school. Pupils are safe. So, in the school, no, ang mga school leaders jud gina-make sure na nila nga ang mga children are protected from harm, like having security guards, CCTV, and safety drills. All members of the school community work toward clear objectives. So, ang teachers and staff kabalo gyud na sila sa atong goals sa school like improving our reading skills or reducing bullying and also dapat na ay unity. A high quality of information is given to parents and visitors. So, ang parents dapat updated gyud sila about their child's progress through meetings nor text message. Also, ang visitors are welcomed with clear guidance. Rules are applied evenly and fairly. So, if ang school mag-set og rules like kanang no cheating or no bullying are applied jud dapat na equally to all students. Dili lang sa isa, dapat fair gyud ang tanan. All pupils are helped to achieve what they are capable of. As a teacher, no, dapat i-encourage nato ang students. Give extra support if kailangan nila and i-celebrate nato ilang small progress like anang mag-participate sila sa klase, dili lang ilahang kanang top grades nila. Support staff. So, it includes a janitor, librarian, guards, and other support staff sa school. Resources are good and up-to-date. Like anang atong computers, books, and materials are working well and not outdated. Then, classroom are clean, warm, and comfortable. So, dapat sa schools, no, ato ang classrooms are well lit, tidy, and suitable jud for learning. Para itong mga students is makafeel og relax and focus sa klase. Support staff are given credit for their competence and contribution. Like sa mga janitors, librarians, and office staff, dapat ta magpasalamat ug i-appreciate nato ilahang hard works and skills also. Then, the environment is friendly and welcoming. So, dapat no, in school, everyone is greeted with respect yun dapat para ang mga students is makafeel og comfortable and approaching staff for help. Next, staff development involves all staff. So, dapat trainingan jud na sila, no, dili lang sa teachers but also for non-teaching staff so they can grow in their jobs. Board member and trustee. Excellent reputation with the local community. So, ang school is trusted by the community na yun na siya, no, because it provides quality education and also discipline. Then, strong leadership from senior managements. Ang school heads, nagaguide yun na sila sa teachers and staff with clear directions and good decisions. Then, a happy and welcoming environment. Ang schools is naga-feels yun na siya safe and joyful para ma-reduce ang stress for students and sa staff also. Then, pupils being helped to reach their individual potential. So, each children, talents and weakness are supported jud dapat sa school, whether in academics, sports, then lastly, a safe place for pupils. Trustees, sila jud ang naga-ensure sa proper facilities, safety equipments, and school policies sa atoang eskwelahan. School as an agent of social change. A school must set an example of a good social institution. Schools need to model a dynamic social organization. It characterized by the following. First, the school climate must be professional and friendly to all. Dili lang sa staff but also sa students. There must be a positive relationships among students, faculty, staff, administrators, and stakeholders. So, para mas mulagwa tong schools is dapat na-adjust strong nga relationship ang students and all staff sa school. The classroom atmosphere must be mentally and emotionally engaging for learning. So, dapat ang mga students is makafeel yun sila comfortable inside the school, no? There is enough and adequate support for learning. So, dapat ang mga students is na enough, adequate, and support gikan sa school. Then, the teachers and other staff receive support for professional and personal growth. The school must be efficient in managing its resources. There must be an efficient communication system among teachers, students, administrators, staff, parents, and other stakeholders. So, dapat na-adjust strong relationship na nagban sa ilaha. The school has a system to recognize good works and other achievements. So, dapat ang atong schools is na siya kanang system para ma-recognize ang good works and other achievements of children or sa mga staff. There must be a strong school and home relationship. And all members of the school community must be treated with respect.
Good day everyone, my name is Danica Michon, and in my part we're going to talk about schools, their roles, and what could be the development about it in our learning. Schools play a crucial role in social change, fostering the collaboration, promoting unity, and distancing themselves from unhealthy academic practices. That is school. They are guided by a clear vision and passion, serving as center of learning and guardian of freedom, and shrines of noble ideas and earthly principle, and that is school. School guides us everything. When it's basic education and learning skills and everything like education, knowledge, and you all know that. school is very important, not just in social change, but also in our in our growth as a person. So education is good, and school too is good. School is like a way for us to develop who we really are and to learn something new. That is school. Now let's proceed to responding to the needs of the country and the local communities. What could be the response in the needs of our country and local communities? So during the American period, community scholars in the Philippines aim to foster a school-community partnership and functional literate citizen our citizenry. These schools contributed to the economic and cultural development of the people and communities they serve. So, in American period now, in our community, they build a community school in the Philippines, which is aimed in fostering the school-community partnership. With school and our community partnership, learning is not just based on the knowledge, problem solving, but also connected into the environment, which is like example NSTP, like we are connecting ourselves, our knowledge in the environment, like we're binabayaran, or anong tawag dyan? We give back to the environment. Yes, that is the partnership. So, this school contributed to the economic, cultural development of the people and community they serve. So, it has a good impact or positive impact in our community, in our cultural and economic. So many have involved into community colleges, and state colleges, and university, trade, and agricultural schools. So example, in my experience, I am a USP scholar, and in our scholar, we give back to the environment, and it benefits us too, because we learn how to do things that beyond our expertise. And so in the University of Philippines in Los Baños, they produce a great agriculturist and a scientist. No, here in the Philippines, we have that school, but very prominent school. The University of the Philippines, Manila, has also contributed to the local doctors serving in communities. Like Silliman University's, a private Protestant school, exemplifies how school can influence. So what could be our conclusion? So in this responding to the needs of the country and local communities, this highlight that school really help us, not just the student, the teacher, but also our country and our community. So by the school, mga school na nabanggit, like example, the University of the Philippines in Los Baños and the University of the Philippines in Manila, they produce a great persons like mga agriculturists and scientists, and by that, they could create new things that could help our economy. And pwede po niya siya mahatagan o new ideas na po, or ma-create of new ideas to improve our daily activities and especially our environment. And by this small steps, we can change the social change. We can start the social change in school, in the students, in the graduates, and into the people in the society. And that is social change based on school. And I hope that you learned something, that school is very important, especially in community.